I don't like my t-shirt sleeves to be this baggy. This to me looks so much better in like every way possible. I'm SD and let's make your t-shirts look exactly like that on your arms. And we need 3 things. We need a sewing machine, we need a safety pin, and we need a measuring tape. And that measuring tape, it's actually optional. I'll explain why in a second. And if you're new and you've never tailored anything before, you can go get caught up all down there in the description. Just binge watch those, you will be a master at the end of it. Turn your shirt inside out, take that safety pin and put it exactly where you want your shirt sleeves to be. And then ask yourself one question. Do you like the fit? Well, kind of like move your arm around a little bit to just make sure, so you know. And now, take your shirt off because we are gonna sew it. But first, take that measuring tape that you've got right there and measure and see exactly how much you're actually taking off. And that's important because that way you can skip all of this next time. If you want to go back to Target and get the exact same shirt, only in a different color, well, you know exactly how much you need to take off on those sleeves. Take your shirt, take your sewing machine and combine them together, and the only thing we're gonna do is just make a straight stitch. That's it, just a straight stitch. And if you've never used a sewing machine before or you don't know how to sew a straight stitch, they both have their own videos. They're both right there. All right, so we got this bad boy all sewed up and we are done, right? No! We gotta cut off all that extra fabric and we gotta make sure that that cut that we make doesn't fray. And we're gonna do that in one of 2 ways. 1, we're gonna use some pinking shears, and 2, we're gonna put a zigzag stitch on the edge. Those have tutorials too. And now you're done. Now you got a t-shirt that hugs your arms and shows off those pythons that you don't have a license for. While we're at it, why don't we fix the side seams on this baggy t-shirt, and why don't we make it a little bit shorter too? Yeah, let's do that. SD out, deuces!